Today's video is about how to use the circle method, a main reading strategy that can be used on all ACT reading passages. The circle method is a key method to acing the ACT readings. Learning this strategy will teach you how to strategically circle important details within each passage. So why is this simple practice such an important strategy for the ACT exam? There are two reasons for this. Mainly, it is because the ACT questions are mostly literal, meaning that you just need to find the detail the question is asking about. The second reason is that time is essential. Searching through the entire passage for specific details is time-consuming. Having these details already circled will make finding the answers to the questions much easier. The first thing to remember about how to use the circle method is to skim the passage instead of reading it. Don't get caught up in reading every word on the page. This will only slow you down unnecessarily. In the circle method, while skimming, you will circle the following types of words within a passage: names, dates, places, italics, and weird words. Now let's look at an example passage to see the circle method in action. Using the circle method, as you skim the passage, you would end up circling the words as shown, such as this date and these places. Turning to the questions, it becomes obvious fairly quickly how circling these words will help. For example, question 14 asks about the significance of Iraq as a location. If the circle method was used correctly, it would take very little time to find where Iraq is mentioned. Then, even just reading that one sentence will lead you to the correct answer. The passage describes Iraq as containing lush pastures. Thus, the correct answer is G, which describes Iraq in the same manner. Without this strategy, locating this small detail would take much more time. It would be easy to miss Iraq with all the countries listed throughout the passage. Not only this, but the ACT questions do not go in order. In fact, if you look at this passage as a whole, the answer to the question we just worked through, question 14, was found in the fourth paragraph. The answer to the previous question, question 13, is actually found in the following paragraph. So that's it, everything you need to know about why and how to use the circle method. With this small but effective strategy, your reading scores will improve. Remember to check out our channel for helpful tips and how-to videos. Finally, be sure to go to www.wilsondailyprep.com for more online test prep, including daily SAT and ACT practice questions. Daily practice is the key to testing success.